Hey everyone, this is Steve from webrockstar.net, and in this video I will show a technique to make a web page with videos load as much as 5 times faster, if not more. Now, you're probably familiar with the traditional way of embedding videos, such as from sites from YouTube, using the traditional iframe embed, as I'm showing right now. And this works fine when you're embedding one video, maybe two, but when you start to embed more than that, you can really start to notice that the web page takes a long time to load. And a technique I like to use to get around this is to not use this traditional iframe embed and instead use the thumbnail image of the video with a play icon on top of that, and then when that's clicked, it then loads the iframe and sets it to autoplay. So the overall experience is pretty much identical, but it only loads the iframes as needed, opposed to loading all of them when the web page loads for the first time. Now, I've made a couple web pages to show how this technique works and the performance comparison of both of them. So here I have a few videos of some cats using the traditional iframe embed technique, and I have another page which looks pretty much identical using images. And just to give a quick preview of how these work, if I click this, as expected, we can see the video starts to play. And going back to the iframe, if I click the same video, it starts to play the video as well. So it's a pretty much identical experience for the user in both cases. So let's take a look and see how long it takes these pages to load. Now I'm going to use the feature of the Chrome browser so we can really take a detailed look at how long it is exactly taking these pages to load. Alright, so I've got the cache disabled for the image version, and I'm going to do the same thing for the iframe version, network, and disable cache. Alright, let's start out with the image version. So let's refresh. Alright, and we can see it loaded, full load, 7.32 seconds. Let's do another refresh. Load, 6.12, and let's just do one more. And again, loading in 6.44 seconds. Alright, so let's try the traditional iframe approach. Now, we can see right away, without even knowing the exact time, it's taking significantly longer to load. Yeah, it's just about 5 times as much, give or take, and it loads in about 30 seconds, which is significantly longer. And let's try this again. And similar results, 28.8. So you can see that using the thumbnail approach loads significantly faster. And if you would like to check out the code I used to achieve this, it is available on CodePen, and you can find a link to this on webrockstar.net. Now, I didn't want to cram too much into this video, but you can further enhance the page load performance by using progressive loading of the thumbnail images on top of the image technique. And this allows the images to be loaded only as they come into the viewport of your device, rather than loading all of the images when they may not even be visible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.